You all know Dope Slime is one of the best slime brands out there. So today we're going to be checking out the Mochi Mochi Dope Slime. Let's check this slime out. It smells just like rainbow sherbet ice cream. Now let's give it a deep dive. This slime has a white swirl with some green coloring in it, and it's also a pink butter slime. This may be one of the best dope slimes I've ever felt. It has that buttery, creamy texture, but it also doesn't stick to your hand, and it stretches, and this is a 10 out of 10. If you haven't checked out the new dope slimes I just released on their website and all their dope slimes in general, you definitely should. This is thebomb.com.